Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change map settings, map themes, and how to activate Trailforks on Garmin Edge 540. So to change the map settings, we're gonna have to open the main menu by holding down the Option key. Then we're gonna have to go to Activity Profiles, select our currently selected activity profile, and here we're gonna have to find Navigation, then go to Map, and basically in this menu we'll already be able to adjust the map settings, so we can change the navigator orientation. We can set the track up or north up so that map always shows the north at the top. Then we can also change the auto zoom. We can enable or disable it. We can choose when to show the guide text, and we can change the appearance of the map. And in appearance, we can change the map theme, choosing between high contrast map, mountain biking map, and classic map. We can enable or disable the popularity heat map. We can choose the map detail and change the history line color. And in advanced map appearance settings, we can also adjust the zoom levels, text size, and shaded relief, and also whether to draw contours on map. And then we also have the information about the map we have installed on our device. Now, to use the Trailfork and all of the Trailfork features, we're gonna need to install this application on our smartphone. So let's grab our smartphone, and first of all, we're gonna have to download and install the Garmin Connect IQ application, which you can download and install from the Google Play Store or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then you're gonna have to open it and sign in to the same Garmin account you are using on your Garmin Edge. And here, search for the Trailforks application. Once you find it, select it, then install it, tap Allow. Then wait until it's installed both on your smartphone and on your Edge. Okay, as you can see right now, the Trailforks is installed. So we can launch the application right away, or we can access the features related to it. To do so, let's go to Navigation menu. Here we can, for example, select MTB Trail Navigation, and this will redirect us to the Trailforks. And to activate this application, we're gonna have to sign in to our account. So you either have to enter your username and password and tap Login, or tap Register and register a new account in Trailforks. After that, Trailforks will be activated and you will not have to re-sign into this application any more times. And that's pretty much how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.